hear it outside also, the answers. What do you say?
टेंट लगा हुआ टेंट
एक्सक्यूज मी सर सर हेलो नहीं ना एक एक सर दादा हमें भी आना नहीं नहीं ले लो पूरा ले लो यार तुम्हारे चार चार पाँच पाँच सर मोबाइल दादा पैसा मिलेगा नहीं तो देखिए सर सर इधर देखिए वेरी गुड थैंक यू आप आपके इन हाउस को बोलो
प्लीज पहले बोलना
चाहिए पहले उसको प्लीज होने के लिए बोलो आपके हिसाब हम क्या घर के लिए एल्बम के लिए नहीं छापने के लिए आए ओके इनको बोलो घर के एल्बम के लिए इसको देखिए
ऊंचा भाई यहाँ देखिए
It's a very special moment. Wow. It's always about high love. Stunning as always. Ladies and gentlemen, it's always about the luxury segment. And Venyor takes this humongous opportunity of welcoming our diva, Julie, our superstar. Right from Kaho Na Pyar Hai to Gadar. She's won hearts across the millions. And this is a very special moment as we unveil the very first flagship store of Venyor. May we please invite Hardit Gajaria to join Miss Amisha Patel, Amita Aaron to please join us here, Vinay Agrawal and Nikhil Agrawal to please be here with us for the grand unveiling of our very first flag store. We're going to have a photo op with all 5 of them with Amisha ji in the center. Ladies and gentlemen, Hardit, Amita, Vinay and Nikhil. One lovely photo op. Hardit, you can smile. It's a very special moment.
I think he's nervous.
He actually wants to stare at you, but he can't, so we can do that. So this is a very special moment.
Yeah. 1 minute.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Actually, his jewelry is as priceless as me, that's why.
so too. One second. Amisha ji ने बहुत खूबसूरत statement कहा. इससे हम शुरुआत करेंगे.
So I said, he's nervous. So he said, with you by my side, obviously I'll be nervous. I said, actually, your jewelry is as priceless as me. तो मैंने भी गदर मचाई, तो अभी ये भी गदर मचाने वाले हैं. So really wishing you all the really super successful of the store. It's so beautiful. And lab grown diamonds are A, sustainable, B, they're more affordable for everybody, and you can have so many varieties of jewelry, and they really have showcased something splendid because I've seen it before coming here, and they've got such beautiful, like for everything. Now Valentine's around the corner, guys could, really rush inside, but they've got engagement rings, they've got necklaces, they've got amazing variety. So wishing you really all the best, and diamonds are a girl's best friend. So guys, take the hint. Actually, not the hint. I'm saying it outright.
Oh, we love it. Let there be showers of the very precious diamonds, jewelry and solitaires. So in the name of the Divine Presence, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have the countdown of 10 and we shall request Amisha Patel for the unveiling. मैं कार्यक्रम की रूपरेखा कुछ बता दूं in case Hardit, we just want to go about. So we're going to have the unveiling at the countdown of 10. Then we're going to have the photo ops here itself first with all your individual families. first with your family, then with Amita, Vinay, as well as
पीछे हो भाई, family
Nikhil's
photo आ रहा है,
family.
पीछे
And then we will go inside. Is that okay? So can we do the unveiling now?
Camera
All
is Simran.
5 of you all here.
सिमरन जी
Ladies and gentlemen, जी sir.
जल्दी कीजिए क्योंकि लाइट है ना, आप फेस के ऊपर आएंगे
Sir,
तो हमें
बिल्कुल.
प्रॉब्लम हो
Please आ
जाएगी.
जाएं.
हाँ.
So,
Please, हाँ.
ladies and gentlemen, everywhere, wherever you are, we welcome you all on behalf of Venure. Let's have the countdown of 10,
मैम
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Wow. Jai Shri Ram. In the name of the divine presence, the grand unveiling of our inaugural flagship store of Venure by the mesmerizing diva, the supremely beautiful one and only Amisha Patel. Since it's always about Kaho Na Pyar Hai to Gadar, she's been the personification of elegance, sophistication and love. Above all, this is the month of love. And really, we have our superstar Amisha Patel here for the grand unveiling, which is a huge honor. So one photo op with all of you and then individual families. May we please have Hardit Gajaria's family here with us. Hardit's family.
अमीशा जी कैमरा पीछे ऊपर ले थोड़ा.
Or where we believe in pure, precious and responsible. In the day and age of today, where we all need to take care of our planet Earth, it is environment friendly. And we also have something affordable for everyone, the lab-grown diamonds. Lots of prizes to be won by... May we please have Vinay Agrawal ji or unki family. आप सब बेहद खूबसूरत दिख रहे हैं आज और ऑफ कोर्स हमारा जो ब्यूटीफुल सेगमेंट है ज्वेलरी डायमंड्स और सॉलिटेयर्स हमेशा रिलेट करता है प्यार के बंधन को और आगे बढ़ाता है और सच्चाई की शुरुआत यहीं से होती है बाय द लवली गिफ्ट्स. सो आइए हम एक प्रश्न अमीशा से पूछना चाहेंगे इसके पहले कि हम अंदर चलें. अमीशा आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे अगर कहो ना प्यार है में आज शायद कहो ना प्यार है 2 भी आ सकती है तो आप कौन सी ज्वेलरी पहनना पसंद करेंगे. बाय द वे आप हमेशा इतनी खूबसूरत और मेस्मराइजिंग दिखती है और आपकी ज्वेलरी हमेशा एलिगेंट और मैग्निफिसेंट आप पर दिखती है. तो वो कौन सी ज्वेलरी होगी अगर कभी कहो ना प्यार है पे आपको दिल भी कि शायद मैं जब वाइट ड्रेस में वो ब्यूटीफुल से शॉर्ट स्कर्ट में आप दौड़ रही हैं आइलैंड पर तो कौन सी ज्वेलरी आपको सूट करे.
Heart shaped pink diamond jewelry. Pink diamond solitaire, pink diamond ring, pink diamond earrings can't get better. कहते हैं ना कि actions speak louder than words. So this time I'll have to tell Ritik वो झाड़ वाड़ जो बीच पे ढूंढ के बाल में फूल दिया था और ऑयस्टर जो बीच में पकड़ा वो नहीं चलेगा. अभी आप सुपरस्टार बन गए अभी डायमंड से रिप्लेसमेंट कर दो.
अनबिलीवेबल. तो आइए हम कोई पिंक ज्वेलरी इनके लिए अंदर सिलेक्ट करते हैं. It's a very special moment. Please can we request our supremely gorgeous, stunning and talented Amisha Patel. हाँ जी.
अच्छा
Sure. असीम आ जाएं. Sure. And of course तो हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब ज्वेलरी की बात हो गई है तो पिंक is related to कहो ना प्यार है. What about गद्दर?
It's my favorite color. Pink is my favorite color. So तारा सिंह को पाकिस्तान का कोई डायमंड लेके आना पड़ेगा. इस बार उनको पंप उखाड़ने नहीं डायमंड उखाड़ के लेके आना पड़ेगा.
और सॉलिटेयर्स भी सॉलिटेयर्स.
नहीं वही ना बिग नाइस बिग सॉलिटेयर पंप जितना बड़ा सॉलिटेयर लेके आ जाओ पाकिस्तान से तभी सकीना खुश होगी.
My God, she is absolutely a natural beauty. और जो भी शब्द उनके खूबसूरत absolutely voice और vocals में आते हैं वो सच में
नहीं आप नीचे जाइए मेरे को स्टोर दिखना चाहिए. स्टोर
हमें कुछ सोलो पिक्चर्स चाहिए हैं.
शोरूम.
वेन्योर ज्वेल्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड की ओर से आप सबका तहे दिल से स्वागत है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आपने अपना ढेर सारा प्यार हमें दिया है, वक्त दिया है और हम ये वादा करते हैं कि हम आपके फैमिली को खुश रखेंगे और खुशियां बांटेंगे आपके चाहने वालों में by giving you the best jewelry, diamonds and solitaires. Only by Venyar, the grand unveiling, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to please request Asim and the lovely
मैम
मोदी जी के लिए खास, अपने डायमंड पीएम के लिए एक डायमंड और ये मेरे लिए हार्ट शेप।
वन मोर मैम।
इधर हमेशा इधर।
हाँ जी यहाँ पर मैम वन मोर। सर थोड़ा आइए ना बेटा, थोड़ा सा ले लो, आप आइए सर।
मैम आप भी आइए,
आप भी आइए मैम आइए आप।
साथ में रहिए।
देखो ये डायमंड ये हाथ में नेकलेस वगैरह कुछ
नेकलेस पकड़ा दीजिए।
आप देख रहे हो।
उधर पीछे मान लीजिए, हमेशा नहीं इधर दिखाए।
मैम ये हाँ जी ये मनीषा जी ये
हमेशा जी इधर।
आप खाली है ना, आप पहन नहीं सकते हो ना, खाली आप देख सकते हो। ऐसे नहीं, खाली ओरिजिनल
ऐसे निकाल दीजिए, हाथ में निकाल दीजिए।
नो
ऐसे ज्यादा अच्छी पिक्चर आएगी।
ओके
हमेशा भी इधर देखो।
मैम यहाँ पर मेरी तरफ मोदी का ही चलेगा। मैम ये नहीं, देखिए आप देखिए, खाली हेयर को समझ।
इधर हमेशा जी इधर दिखा।
हाँ जी ये
चलिए डन।
बताइए पोज नहीं चाहिए, आप बताइए।
Amisha, if you had a choice, 1, 2, 3, which one would you like it, and at which occasion would you like to?
मैम एक
I
सेकंड
think
प्लीज।
this is Regina, I wear it in my neck every day. You know,
Wow.
why not?
या
And it is again an eternity necklace. It's done.
मैम मैम क्लोज
Pendants and
Very close to your heart, of
yeah,
course.
and it's my favorite shape anyway. Otherwise, I'm more simple. You know, I'm more delicate and dainty jewelry and things like that. So it really depends on what occasion I'm with.
We all want to know when was the first time you bought your own jewelry? Was it before Karuna Pyare or after Karuna Pyare? But let me tell you, she's also in education #1, as we all know. Ye rank holder hai, and it is phenomenal that she is supreme beauty with supreme brains. So when was the first time?
Actually, I was leaving for Boston to study at Tufts University, and at that time I had just done an ad for fun for Femme Blue Bleach, and I had launched Nile shampoo and stuff, and so I made money out of that, and I bought myself jewelry. But then when I graduated, when I became head girl of Cathedral, I was gifted by my family my first Rolex watch with diamonds. And then when I turned 21 and I was nearly starting Karuna Pyare, but I'd also graduated, I got my Cartier watch, my Panther Cartier all gold watch, again with diamonds. So I think it's been a love affair with jewelry from the very beginning, you know. And I think you can't escape that. So I may not have sometimes earned the physical money, but I earned it by my coming first in class and coming, topping university, getting, as a graduation gift, becoming head girl of Cathedral School. So that's when I did on numerous occasions. And
Bottle
any
नीचे रखो ना।
time on a birthday or anything, any of the relatives and all would say, what do you want to have? Give me jewelry or give me encyclopedias. It was either of the two. It was either books or jewelry. It was nothing in between.
Wow, this is unbelievable. As I said, yes, she's supreme beauty with supreme brain. Wow, I would never even dream of in that age. And of course, if you have a scholar and a champion, because she was also good in sports as well. My God, you aced all. Ladies and gentlemen, she is the one and only Amisha Patel, and what a huge honor on behalf of Vanyar. We truly would love to express our deepest heartfelt gratitude, and your answers you've given have actually shaken us and got to know you a little bit more better. Thank you so much.
I
Thank
just
you.
want to wish the entire team, good luck, and hope Vanyar does more and more openings all over the country, and they have the highest number of branches. Wishing them the very best of luck.
Thank you so much.
मैम
you can, yeah.
I'm your last picture. You take it yourself.